Good morning, my lovely Group 1s. This is our first phonics lesson of this term. Now, last term, we started learning some of our Phase 3 sounds. Now, we're getting on really well with those, but there were still a few that were a little bit tricky. So we are going to recap all of our Phase 3 sounds because we've had nearly 3 weeks off phonics, so we might have forgotten the odd one. Now, when I show you the sound on the screen, your challenge is to see if you can say it quickly. We're going to see how quickly we can manage to go through all of these sounds. I'm going to give you 3 seconds on each sound because I think you'll be able to do it. Okay, this is the first one. Amazing. How did you get on with all of those sounds? Some of the last ones, some of the digraphs, and there was a trigraph in there as well. Some of those are a bit tricky. We might have a little bit of a recap of those. Now I've got a challenge for you. I'd like to see if you could read this sentence. Now, do you remember that we have to look out for the digraphs in our sentence? Now, some of you might just be able to read this straight away. Others of you might want to sound out each word. Now, I have put some sound buttons on underneath the words to help you. So we'll read this one together. We've got I, sh, fish, fish. Now the next word. A, n, d, and. The next one. Oh, I can spot a digraph there. Ch, I, p, s, chips. O, n, on. A. Oh, this is a tricky one. D, I, sh, dish. So the sentence says fish and chips on a dish. Now you can see that under some words we've just got little round dots, but some words have got the line. Now, if you've got a digraph or a trigraph, you need to put the line. If they're just the singular sounds, you put the sound buttons, so then you know. Now, on the next slide, I have got 3 different captions for you to read. Now, you might want to pause me so that you can sit and try and work out what they say. And here they are. Now is the time to pause me, I think, because otherwise I will go far too quickly and you won't be able to read them all. I'll move that up there for you so you can see. Now, if you completed all of those reading captions, there is a last challenge for you to do after this phonics lesson. You can try and find any book in your house. It doesn't matter if it's a grown-up's book or if it's your book. And I'd like you to have a look at a page or maybe a couple of pages and see if you can spot any of those Phase 3 sounds that we have already learned in your book. And you can look really carefully. You might have to read them, or you can just scan the page and see, oh, there's the digraph that we know. There's sh, or there's k, or any sounds that you know, you can see if you can spot them. Right, thank you very much for a brilliant phonics lesson, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.